Robot bounty hunter.
Not shut your fucking mouth!
All that hard work.
You're getting 7 across the ass!
Oh, shit!
Huh? Did you kiss your mother with that mouth? I ain't touching that, huh?
That shit is fucking trash, dog.
Ha ha!
Fuck!
Hey!
Did you kiss your mother with that mouth?
Not to mention a duck.
Fuck is this shit?
You're crazy? Do not full run!
I ain't touching that. What are you? Some kind of troll or something? What? And ruin all this frustration? I ain't touching that. I ain't touching that. Huh?
What the fuck?
Huh?
Chicken!